Shesha. Hello, welcome to this course, and this is an introductory video, and in this video we are going to cover 4 parts. The first one is getting started with building blocks of cloud computing. In this section we are going to take a look at basic components of cloud computing, including what they are and how they work. Then we'll move forward with the second part, which is virtualization and containers. Explanation of how virtualization allows multiple operating systems to run on a single machine and how containers package application for easy deployment. Then we are moving to the third part, that is microservices, which is an overview of microservices architecture, which breaks down applications into smaller parts, independent services that can be deployed and developed separately. And then we'll move on to the fourth part, that is operation, which includes discussion on best practices for managing cloud application, including monitoring, load testing, and continuous improvement strategies. So if we talk about the instructor, my name is Priyank and I have been training people from a long time. On Udemy, I have 43,000 students, and on an academy, I have completed 1 lakh minutes. Besides online training, I've already been training offline as well. That includes 2,50,000 students offline as of when I'm recording this video, and I have been taking all sorts of training that includes student training, corporate training, and faculty development programs, that is FDP for teachers. So that's all from my end. I hope you will enjoy this course. By the way, don't forget to scan the QR code on the left hand side for instant updates on WhatsApp and WhatsApp notification. Thanks for watching. I hope you will like this course.